waivers on file for my clients today.
Yes, sir.
First, Chris Garrett on behalf of Ronald Boleyn, 25 CT 268. Your Honor, we're still trying to get in touch with this client. He might have passed away, so the state's going to try to look into that.
Okay. Requesting a continuance?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. We'll go ahead and set Mr. Boleyn's case for November 5? Okay. November 5th.
Thank you, Your Honor. Then Chris Garrett on behalf of Simon Oliver Bernard, 25 CT 373. If we could leave him set for jury review docket day, I anticipate a resolution.
What was that name, Mr. Garrett?
Last name is Bernard.
Bernard. Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. So October 15th, was that with or without subpoenas?
Without subpoenas, Your Honor.
All right, October 15th without subpoenas.
Then Chris Garrett on behalf of Douglas Blandford, 25 CT 493. We recently received the medical records in this case. We request a continuance to November pretrial.
Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. November 5th.
Chris Garrett on behalf of Kelly Bradley, 25 NN 385. Your Honor, granted a motion to take depositions in this case. We're still trying to get that scheduled. We now have a tentative date for October 24th at 2 p.m. We'd ask for a continuance to November 5th.
All right. Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, we'll set it for November 5th.
Chris Garrett on behalf of Angela Santola, 25 CT 119. We leave her set for October 15th without subpoenas. I anticipate a resolution.
Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, October 15th without subpoenas.
Chris Garrett on behalf of Eric Chirinos Lopez, 25 CT 1524. I guess we could ask for a continuance to November 15th.
November 5th?
15th.
15th.
Oh, November 5th. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Yes, November 5th.
Jury
The
pretrial.
Yes.
Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, November 5th.
Chris Garrett on behalf of Roger Egerton, 25 CT 942. If we could leave him set for October 15th for status, we might get that case resolved. He's completing DUI school.
Okay. Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, October 15th without.
Then Chris Garrett on behalf of Brooks Gonzalez, 25 CT 1364, requesting continuance to review discovery with Mr. Gonzalez. I don't believe the state has any objection.
Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Set that for November 5th.
Chris Garrett on behalf of Jared Hill, 25 MN 2383, we're asking for a continuance to November 5th to review discovery with Mr. Hill.
Any objection from the state?
Your Honor, which case was that?
Jared Hill, 2025 MM 2383.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, set for November 5th.
Then Chris Garrett on behalf of Nwang Jigme, 25 CT 1190. The state is sending us the agency inspections for the intoxilizer used in this case, and I'd like to speak with him about vet court, assuming I can suppress the breath test. We'd ask for a continuance to November 5th.
Case number again?
That was 25 CT 1190.
Jigme. Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, November 5th.
And then finally for me, I have Shannon Jones, 25 MM 2104. I've been speaking with the state about the pretrial diversion offer in this case. We'd ask for a continuance to October 15th for status.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, October 5th without subpoenas.
And I believe that's all I have, Your Honor. I was covering for Bo Powell. He has one case on the docket. William Burns, 25 MN 2345. The note I have is he had a bond hearing yesterday that they granted. He has a motion to file first time up, asking for a continuance.
He's asking for a continuance?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, we'll set Mr. Burns' case for November 5th.
And I believe that's all I have.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Garrett. Have a good day. Mr. Patel?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
believe I have one case on the docket, Jay Patel on behalf of Gregory Allen, 25 CT 701. Last time we were in court, I indicated to the court that we intended to try the case. However, it appears that I have pending matters that are set potentially for trial the week of your trial week in front of Judge Clark, and so I'd asked to continue the case to November.
Okay. Given that, any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, you want the November pretrial, Mr. Patel?
Yes, Judge.
All right. We'll go ahead and set Mr. Allen's case for November 5th.
I have nothing further, maybe excused.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Mr. Browning?
Thank you. Court Brian Richard Brazil. Just will be that set for, what's your trial week? Is it in the month?
It is week of October 27th.
Okay, so we'll be that set for trial, Judge, with subpoenas.
Okay. Give me one moment. All right, we'll go ahead and leave this set for October 15th with subpoenas. And I'll have that order from our motion hearing here by the end of the week.
Okay. Eva Damon,
How do you spell that?
D-A-M-O-N. And we'll be that set for trial with subpoenas, Judge. With a caveat, I'm missing some body camera from the roadside. I think the state's got time to do that.
All right. Any objection from the state?
Your Honor, I believe the state is waiting on the results of a urine test, so the state would request one continuance.
Mr. Brown?
We object, Judge. We don't waive our speedy trial.
Okay. All right, we'll go ahead and set this for November 5th. Continuance is charged to the state.
Asa Davis. And the first time up, we have to pass it to your next pre-trial, but it's November 5th, David.
All right, any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, November 5th.
Nicole Hartzell. That's going to be a plea, right? Okay, Pro Shop.
Yes, sir. Thanks, Mr. Brandon. Ms. Hartzell's not here today?
No, Judge, I'm waiting for time.
Okay. All right, I'll go ahead and accept the plea.
Does the plea involve probation? Does the plea involve probation?
It does.
Okay.
It does. Fingerprints is a condition.
Okay.
Linda Holtz, Judge, or H. Holtz.
Okay.
Judge, we have to continue to November 5th. I have a motion request to file.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Set that for November 5th.
David Matos, M-A-T-O-S.
Is that on the docket? Checking to see if that's on the docket.
Okay.
It's
Is that one from the prosecutor?
Yeah, it probably came after this.
Did it? All right, that one is not on my docket, but what are you requesting for?
The Duran matters.
Duran.
Duran matters, Your Honor. D,
25 NN 2532 BUR David E. Duran DURAN Methods and COS.
Okay. What are you requesting for Mr. Mattis' case?
Judge, let's leave it set without subpoenas. I've asked the state to review it for reckless operation. If it's not resolved, then we'll continue it. And my client's from Texas, so we'd like to try it next cycle.
Okay. Any objection from the state?
no objection, Your Honor.
All right, leave that set for October 15th without.
That's all I have, Judge. Thanks so much.
All right, thank you, Mr. Brown. Ms. Maryfield?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I'm also covering cases for Michael Gilbert, if I can take those first.
Okay.
So for Mr. Gilbert, Alexander Butler, 25 MM 2396. There's a waiver on file. I believe it's the first time up, and he's requesting to continue that to the 11/5 pretrial.
All right, any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, set that for November 5th.
And then the last one he has is Jorge Guerrero, 25 CT 1331. There's a waiver on file. He's asking to continue that one as well. I believe he is waiting on FDLE results in that case.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, set that for November 5th.
And then moving on to my cases, I think they're listed in clarity here.
Okay.
First case I have, Brady Maryfield on behalf of Jacob Campbell, it's 25 CT 1594. First time up, there's a waiver on file. I'm requesting to continue this to the 11/5 date. I did speak with ASA Gearing, there is one body cam that we're still waiting on, so that we can make a determination. She indicated she was going to try to find that.
That's correct, Your Honor. We were able to get that body cam late yesterday afternoon, so that should be headed your way today.
All right, we'll go ahead and set that for November 5th.
Then I have Ian Grant, 25 NN 2318, waiver on file for Mr. Grant. I'd like to leave this one set for 10/15 without, I anticipate a resolution.
Okay. Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, we'll leave that set for October 15th without subpoenas.
Then I have Jeffrey Hayes, 25 MN 2312, waiver on file for Mr. Hayes. I'd like to continue him to the 11/5 pretrial. Filed a motion to suppress, haven't set it yet. I will anticipate setting that one, so I think we'll need till 11/5, Judge.
All right. Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, set that for November 5th.
And then the last one is Jason Kendrick, 25 CT 1232. There's a waiver on file. I'd like to leave him set for review without. I also anticipate a resolution on this one.
All right. Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right.
And that should be all that I have on minutes.
All right, we'll leave Mr. Kendrick on for October 15th without.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you, Ms. Maryfield. Mr. Lapella?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Patel, for the record, I have 8 cases on the docket this morning. The first one is Patricia Anez Rivera. And all my clients have waivers of appearance today.
Okay.
Your Honor, we're trying to get the finalization of the DUI school completed. We'd like to continue this one more time.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, we'll set that for November 5th.
Thank you. Next matter I have is Lohit at Makuri. ATMAKURI.
Yes, sir.
I think we're going to try to resolve that with a PTD, but I'd like to have the full continuance to get it turned in. If I could ask for the 11/5.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, November 5th.
Next matter I have is Isaiah Brisbane. That one there, I need a little more review time for that, so I'd ask to continue it one time.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, we'll set Mr. Brisbane for November 5th.
Next matter is Kimberly Burnside. I'm talking to the state about trying to put together some type of a pretrial diversion if possible, and I'd like to continue at one cycle to negotiate that out if possible.
All right, any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, November 5th.
Next matter is Amanda Dahl. This is a DUI case. Client's from North Carolina. I anticipate it's going to be a trial. But since she's from out of state, we need to coordinate travel and stuff. I'd probably look at a November trial cycle date, just to let
Okay.
the state know in advance. And we'd like to continue it to November 5th with the anticipation that it's probably going to be trial in November.
Okay. Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, set that for November 5th.
Next matter I have is Nathan Harmon. This is first time up. We'd like to continue this case one time.
Any objection from the state?
Nathan Harmon.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, move that set for November 5th.
Is Deborah Jennings on the docket?
Deborah Jennings?
Deborah Jennings.
Yes, she is.
We did a written plea on her substantive criminal cases. There was some TR cases that were not addressed, and I'd like to address those today. The first one is 25 TR 8039, which is proof of insurance. And then the other is 25 TR 8038, careless driving. What we'd like to do is ask the court to merge and dismiss those two infractions into case number 25 CT 1720.
All right. We'll go ahead and merge and dismiss those two traffic citations with 25 CT 1720.
Is that cool with the court then? Okay. All right, so let me make sure. The last one I have is Ramiro Jimenez Perez. This is going to be a DPA. We need a control date. I'd ask for the November 5th.
Any objection?
No. No objection, Your Honor.
Is the 25-2738 and then 25-2738, is that included?
It's 25, I'm sorry. Which,
I have 25 and then 2738.
on Jimenez Perez?
On Deborah Jennings.
On Jennings, no, it's actually 25 TR 8039 and 25 TR 8038, 8038.
And what I think Mr. Clerk was saying, we have 25 CT 1720 and 2025 MM 2738 on the docket for Ms. Jennings.
Making false money.
I believe that was addressed with a written plea already.
Okay.
I don't think it's come off the clerk's site yet.
Okay, all right. If you
But
could
I
just
think
verify
the
that.
we need to merge the traffic cases into the traffic.
Yes, sir.
All right, so I think that's all I have, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Lapella.
Have a good day.
You too.
11:05.
Yeah, 11:05. All right, Mr. Stewart.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
May I please report, Your Honor, Brad Stewart present. The first matter I have on the court's docket is Majesty George, 25 CT 580. Judge, this is going to be a plea. Ms. George lives in Texas. We are awaiting her fingerprints at this time. If I could have the 11:05 date, Judge.
All right. Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, we'll leave that set for November 5th.
Your Honor, my next client is Mr. Lewis Guthrie. This is 24 MM 4150. Your Honor, I was assigned this case last month. I do have discovery. I have caught up to the learning curve in this matter. I do need to continue this so that I can chat with my client about our next course of action.
All right. Any objection to November 5th?
Your Honor, may we approach on this?
Yes, ma'am.
Home Bakery Cafe is 2 blocks from the courthouse on Crestview historic Main Street. We serve handmade pastries, espresso, and lunch items, and we're open Tuesday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., serving lunch from 11 to 2. We hope to see you soon.
Hello, I am Bonnie from Body Be Healthy here in Crestview. We have been serving the area
All
since
right, November 5th
1999.
for Mr.
We have
Guthrie.
alternative
Thank you, Your Honor. That's all I have. Maybe
health
excuse me.
Yes, sir.
If you're
Thank you.
interested in
Mr. Keach?
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Jeremy Keach. I have 2 cases on your docket. The first case is going to be State of Florida versus Franklin Cameron, 25 MN 1672. Your Honor, if we could just leave this one set on your docket day and jury review for the 15th with subs.
All right, State?
This is Cameron. No objection, Your Honor.
All right, we'll leave that set for jury review with subpoenas on October 15th.
Thank you. And my next case, Your Honor, is going to be State of Florida versus Terry DeVille, D-E-V-I-L-L-E, 25 MN 2474. Your Honor, we reached a resolution in this case. I'm just waiting on my client to provide me the written plea agreement with PTI. So if we could just leave it set for control date on the 15th, I'll have that submitted well in advance.
All right, we'll leave that set for October 15th without.
All right, that's all I have. Maybe excuse?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Durrell?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
If you support Justin Durrell, Your Honor, I'm going to take my first client out of order. Ms. Lisa Holt is present. Ms. Holt? Your Honor, Ms. Holt fled back in, I believe it was September 3rd. It was an oral plea, and we had neglected to announce the attended vehicle impound. I do have a signed plea agreement if I may approach.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
Good morning, Ms. Holt. Yes, sir. All right, so this just adds on the 10-day impound?
Yes, Your Honor. And just to make sure there's no confusion or anything, if we could just make sure this is entered no pro tunc back to the, or Ms. Holt has been on probation since then.
Yes, sir. What was the date of the original plea?
September 3rd, Your Honor.
All right, I'll go ahead and accept the plea.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Holt.
Thank you.
Yeah, next I have Mr. Dwayne Butler, 25 MN 2116. I believe the state may have an announcement on this today.
That is correct, Your Honor. Mr. Durrell, a while back, provided me with a statement from the victim. My office has contacted the victim on multiple occasions, attempting to contact her and get her to fill out a victim input form with our office. She has not come in to do that. Based on that and the documents provided to us by Mr. Durrell's office, state is going to go ahead and no cross case 25 MM 2116. I can't cover criminal or no cross.
All right, so Mr. Butler's case is dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor. And finally, Your Honor, is Mr. Donald Castle, requesting a continuance from Mr. Castle. I have received the discovery. I am still reviewing that.
All right, any objection from the state? All right, November 5th.
Thank you, Your Honor. I believe that is all I have today.
Thank you, Mr. Durrell.
Thank you.
Mr. Wentz?
Thank you, Your Honor. Aaron Wentz, we have Edmund Kincaid, it's 25, 26, 45.
All right.
As we have received discovery on that, we would ask for continuance from one cycle, so November 5th, date, please.
All right, any objection from the state? All
It's
right.
Edmund Kincaid.
Edmund
Yes,
Kincaid
ma'am.
is-
He also has a
Failure
131.
to comply.
Yeah. We also have 25, 131, I didn't think that was on the docket today. I was going to make sure that the court, can we make sure that's tracking together so that we can do it together?
What is that?
It's 25 MM 131. It's a violation of a pretrial diversion.
Got that? Okay. All right, those will both track together and be sent for November 5th.
Perfect. That's all I have, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, Mr. Wentz, thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Gates?
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
There I have two cases for Byron Cotton. The first one is Shahar Azarzar, AZARZAR, 25MM2460.
Yes, sir.
We could continue this to the November pretrial date. Ms. Gearing is looking at this case for a resolution.
Any objection, Ms. Geary?
No objection, Your Honor, that's correct.
All right, we'll set that for November 5th.
And then the next case is Chase Andrews, 25MM2553. Mr. Cotton is asking for continuance in this case and should be resolved by the next pretrial.
All right. Any objection to November 5th?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, set it for November 5th.
Your Honor, I have two cases, Michael Gates for Madison Beckman, case number 25MM2649. I have a pretrial diversion contract that has been signed by the defendant and Ms. Gearing. May I approach?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Your Honor, pursuant to the plea agreement and the pretrial diversion contract, the defendant is to sign a written plea. She has signed it, I just have to get that to the state. So if we could have that October 15th date, it's already been signed, I just need to get it to the state so that could fall off the docket.
Okay. State, does that work, October 15th?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. We'll leave that set for October 15th without subpoenas. Madison Beckman? There's a,
That's what we just did.
yeah, there's a plea associated with it as well. Yeah.
Judge, the next case I have is Melissa Baldwin, 25MM2554. Subsequent to the defendant signing the written plea agreement, there was an amendment made to the plea agreement, so I'm going to have her re-sign that, and if we can have the October 15th date, that also should fall off the docket.
All right. Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Set for October 15th without.
And that's all I have. May I be excused?
Mr. Gates, I have one more for Mr. Cotton, Javier Milton Sanchez.
Okay, and he also told me that, but when I talked to the state, Ms. Gearing didn't believe that was on the docket. So thank you for telling me that. That's Javier Sanchez, 25 CT 1453.
1543, yes, sir, 1543.
Yes.
And a motion to suppress is being filed today, and Mr. Cotton will get with your JA to coordinate the date. So if we could have that November pretrial conference date.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, we'll leave that set for November 5th.
Yes. That's all I have.
Thank you, Mr. Gates.
Thank you, Mr. Carter.
Mr. Shaw? Morning, Mr. Shaw.
First case I have on the docket is Holden Chambers, two case numbers, I believe, for 25 IM 7760 and 7689.
Yes, sir.
Along with the DUI as well. We'd ask to put that on October 15th without subs.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, October 15th without, for both cases.
Thank you, Judge. Next case I have is Dwayne Vance Garrison, 25 MM2031. That is a new case to me, Judge. And I'm asking for a one-cycle continuance to the 11/5 date.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, set for November 5th.
Next case, Judge, is Jacob Holbrook. That's 24 CT 2364.
Yes, sir.
I'd ask for the October 15th date. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to ask for it without. Again, it's an old case. I'm aware of that. I'm not available for the trial date on this one.
Any objection? Yes, ma'am.
And we can approach and I can let the court know why I'm not available.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, we'll go ahead and leave this set for October 15th without.
Thank you, Judge. I also have Samantha Hans, Hans, 25 MM2655, and looks like a judge docket. Is that, I think that's on today.
It is on today.
I'd like to put that on the jury pretrial for 11/5 if that's available.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, we'll set that on November 5th.
And lastly, Judge, I'm covering for Mike Flowers. He has one case, Natalie Irwin, ERWIN.
Yes, sir.
He's asking for November 5th on that case, Judge.
Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
I believe that's all I have. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you, Mr. Shaw. We'll leave set Irwin on November 5th. Mr. Ramey, Mr. Ramey.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
May it please the court, Judge, I have a few cases with you. First is Cedric, Florida versus Kirkland Beal. It's 25-2386 with Ms. Gearing. I had made a request for her to look at the case as reckless driving. She's advised me this morning that she can't do that. I've already sent my client documents for a PIA, lives in the state of Maryland, for a DUI. Just need to get some more details from Ms. Gearing and get that case resolved. We put on November 5th. We should have the complete abstention with fingerprints too well before then.
Okay. Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, November 5th.
Next case, Your Honor, is State versus Shannon Brown, 25-1864. It's Ms. Gearing's case. We have been discussing a pretrial diversion. My understanding is that they're going to come forward with one, just waiting on getting the details and the paperwork so it can get that resolved by way of PTD. We can put down